Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on perimeter. Perimeter is the total distance around the boundary of a two-dimensional shape. The boundary of a 2D shape normally has straight lines. In this video we will look at some real-life examples which have straight lines. Some of the more popular shapes we will look at are the triangle, square, and rectangle. Example 1. The large triangle to the left helps to support the roof of a house. Given the three measurements, what is the perimeter of the large triangle? So the perimeter is the total distance around the outside. So you add all the sides up. That's why I've gone 5 metres plus 5 metres plus 7 metres. So the answer is 17 metres. Example 2. A chessboard is in the shape of a square with sides of 30 centimetres. What is the perimeter? Again, with the perimeter you add all the sides up. So the short way of doing it, the perimeter equals 4 times 30 because there are 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And each of those sides is 30 centimetres. So 4 times 30 is 120 centimetres. The square garden bed above has each side with length of 2 metres. Let's look at the perimeter. 4 times 2 metres, because there are 4 sides. That gives you 8 metres for the perimeter. The rectangular swimming pool above has a length of 8 metres and a width of 3 metres. So here we've got 8, 3, 8, and 3. So the perimeter is 8 plus 3 plus 8 plus 3, so you add the 4 sides up, and that gives you 22 metres. The above garden bed has the dimensions shown. What is the perimeter? So you can see above that you have 6 different dimensions because it's a little bit of an odd shape. So again, the rule applies. You just add all the sides together. So if we start from the 5 here and just go all the way around, and we add one measurement at a time, and this is what we get. So when you add all those measurements up, you get 24 metres for the perimeter. Find the perimeter of the above room. So let's pretend that's a room in a house. Exactly the same rule applies. You just add the 5 measurements, and here they are, and that gives you 42 metres for the perimeter. So this has been a very basic video which has introduced perimeter, and we've seen how to calculate the perimeter of a 2D shape with straight sides.